Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2020 on a 70 plate Renault Captur Iconic. This is the 1.3 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors. Finished in Highland grey metallic with diamond black roof and mirror caps, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So have a good walk around of this excellent looking, very modern Renault Captur. Cracking little small SUVs, these. Very good news. This is a September 2020 registered car. 16,000 miles. It's had 2 owners from new. Current owners had the car since it was just a few months old, so we can assume it was registered with Renault initially, and then it's had just the one private owner ever since. We've got those lovely 17-inch silver alloy wheels, very good tyres all round. 16,000 miles. Despite the very low mileage, it's been really well looked after. It's been serviced every year from new, so 4 recorded services. Nice high seating position, which allows obviously for easier access and really good visibility as well. Very sensible running costs. It's a 1.3 turbocharged petrol with 130 brake horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox, so it goes very nicely indeed. Good fuel consumption, up towards 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. Sensible insurance group as well. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. So certainly ticks the boxes if you're after a small to mid-sized family car. Plenty of extras, being the Iconic model. Really nice level of specification as we have a look inside, which is again very clean and tidy. Seats are all in good shape, as are all the door cards. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Wheel comes supplied with 2 remote key cards. It's got rubber mats, and it's also got the original carpet mats as well. You've got lane assist up there. You've got some radio controls, and then up onto the steering wheel again in really good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your trip computer, voice recognition. On the other side you've got cruise control with a speed limiter, automatic lights. It's a push button start, as you can see behind. 16,145 miles. That is the service light. It's due for its 4th service now, which we will carry out at the point of sale. So that will be done for the new owner. Leather centre armrest, a couple of cup holders, electronic handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. Down below we've got some storage for your keys or whatever. You've got a 12-volt socket, auxiliary input, 2 USB ports, and then we've got climate control. Above, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. And then we've got a touchscreen display at the top. And on there you've got all your apps. You've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got your satellite navigation, which is built in, you've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. Really straightforward touchscreen system. If I put the car into reverse, we've got parking sensors at the back, and you do get a little parking pilot that comes up on the screen there. Like I say, nice high seating position, very easy to get in and out of. They share the same flat platform as those Dacia Sandero stepways which we have over there, so virtually identical in terms of the mechanicals and the layout. As we have a look in the back, obviously you've got 5-door practicality, electric windows in the rear, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats. These rear seats are also on runners as well, so they will slide backwards and forwards, which is nice to give you some more space in the boot. Black roof with some roof bars. Just a really classy looking car. And then into the boot space itself, split folding rear seats. Then we've got a nice big flat loading area at the top with a rubber cover, so under that's like new, and that does lift out to give you some more space down below, so a much bigger well when you take that top layer out. Like I say, rear seats are on runners. They will fold flat when you've got it like this, and then underneath there you've got your inflation kit and so on. So there we have it. Really good looking car, this one. September 2020 Renault Captur Iconic 1.3 turbo petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox. 16,000 miles. One owner from a few months old, really good service history, excellent spec including sat-nav, and sensible running costs as well. Finance is available from less than £210 a month based on a 10% deposit on a PCP deal, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, a service and 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking looking car, really good history, nice ownership, nice spec, very sensible running costs. This ticks a lot of boxes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.